guys, good morning. 8:58 na po dito sa amin mga guys, no. Today is Saturday, so hapon po ang work natin. It's already August 2. August 2 na po mga guys. So ngayon, nagkalo-kalo po ako mga guys dahil pupuntahan po natin yung eggplant. Kumusta na yung talong? Itim na ba o puti pa? Ay! Ay! No! Clover! Stop it! Yung aso namin guys, wala pa rin siyang amo. No, 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 no! No! Tara guys. Ando na kasi yung asawa ko. Tsadya! Yan ang gusto-gusto niya. Tinitingnan ang mga plants na tinanim. Wow!
Right there.
Where? Oh my god, that's big. Is it? Is it already big or what? I don't know.
No, it ain't big.
Oh,
But you see it?
yes. Kita nyo ba guys? Ayan siya oh. Talong. Isa lang naman. So it's only one?
Oh, there's another one over here. See?
OMG, yes.
And then one right here.
So that's already ready to go?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
There's one over here too, but not very big. Let me lift this up.
Lift it? Okay.
Wait, I gotta get. Wait.
Alright. Dito. Ay, nako, bilisan mo. Yung aso namin, oh. Sino gusto mag-adapt dito? Adaptin nyo na po ito. Cute na aso naman to, guys. He's not bad dog.
What?
Cute yan. The dog. Clover.
And smell.
Ito namin, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo po yung aming apples. May kulay na po siya. Yan, oh. Ito naman, ganyan lang talaga yung kulay niya. Diba, wow? Ayan, oh. It's pula. Dito tayo. Kaya tayo dito. Ayan. Oh, wow. Look at that. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kinakain ata ito ng mga birds, guys. Oh, sayang ba? Pero ito, pula na po siya. Mga ala, oh, tingnan nyo. OMG. Babe, I think the thing is ruining the apples. Look at this. Wow, ang ganda nila tingnan guys. Oh, apple na talaga to guys.
Think what?
Dito para may thumbnail tayo. Apple picking. Apple picking guys, hindi pa talaga apple picking ngayon. By the end of the August, tapos middle of September, apple picking na. So, ayan, madami kaming apples but ito lang yung the best trees ata. Ayan. Good job. Look. These big apples. Good.
One. See if it's ready.
Are you sure?
Find one that looks like it's
But Han, how come the thing is eating it?
birds.
Ah, yeah. Ang daming sira, guys. Oh. Ito, sa bagay, kinakain naman din nila. But look at that. Baby pa itong... Kaya hindi pa, parang hindi pa good siya laki ng bongga, guys. Hindi pa nag-change ang colors. Ganyan pa rin siya. Pero sobrang dami, oh. Grabe. Ang liit nito, ah. Ang liit. Pero, grabe yung mga ano. Anyway, tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Oh my God, ang init dito, guys. Kaya lang, hindi ako mahilig maglalabas-labas ba kay sobrang init talaga. Masakit sa balat. Kawawa naman kaya aso. Kaya lang sobrang pasaway, guys. Liwat guys yung mga amo, guys. Mga pasaway. Anyway, maligo na muna tayo dahil meron tayong work. So, masarap mag-relax dito guys kasi malinis yung extra room namin. Meron kaming magandang couch. Ito yung couch. Bigay ito ng mother-in-law ko. Pamanan niya to sa amin bago siya actually pumanaw. So, nagamit talaga namin mga guys, no? Yan o. Meron kasi akong plano dito sa extra room na ito, guys. Talagang aayusin ko ito, i-arrange. Kaya lang, gusto kong mamili ng mga gamit-gamit. Hindi naman to the max gamit-gamit talaga. Gusto kong mamili kasi para magamit namin to ng bongga. Anyway, paligo na muna tayo mga guys. Uy. Guys, time check 10:31. Naka-ready na po tayo papunta sa trabaho, no? Pero hindi ito yung outfit natin dahil hindi po ito pwede mga guys. So, may dumating na package. Cassandra's package. Grabe, sana all. Ayan, mag-unbox daw siya guys. Tara. Which one? Boxing ang peg. Yeah.
I'm getting the scissors.
Another what? Pagkatapos nito mga guys, magkain lang ako and then off to work na ako agad. Okay? What's that?
This is yours.
Oh, yeah, that's mine. I'm sorry. This is all yours. Just give me that. This is all my beauty product. Guys, akin pala to mga guys. Finally, dumating na siya. Inaantay ko talaga ito eh. The only thing is, ayan. Kasi wala nito yung isa naming kilala. Wala siya nitong toner and all that. Kaya, hide the address please. So, I turn it over. There you go. Pero ito talaga yung kay Cassie, guys. Akin pala to. Let's see what you got. Dami ah. Sana all. There you go. What's that?
I don't know.
Okay, whatever. Just show one by one. Just open it. Not that. Just take all the stuff inside the bag. There you go. It's good.
I thought it would come like after school.
Yeah. What's that? All right.
The cover of me.
Oh, okay. Cool. Finally came.
So like if I have something.
All right. That's good. Right. Next. Okay, the nails. What's that? A what? Oh, okay. Put it there. Eyeshadow daw, guys.
Very safely wrapped.
So, Shinya po ito in order lahat, guys, no? So, kasi mga mura. Oh, the rings. Okay. Okay.
I thought that was that last.
Right, next.
This one I was waiting for.
Oh, okay. What's that for? For the hair? Oh, okay. Good. That's for the hair, guys. And dress. Haba na nito. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. That's a nice one.
I thought the color would be more. Yeah.
Perfect. Sige.
I have to wash these before I wear them, right?
Of course. But you have to do it delicate. Next. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. It's kind of big, but we'll see if you fit in. Because I need to see if that fits. What's all that? Oh, that's hair thingy. Alright. Next. Nails, that will not be last in your nail. That's for
That's why I
sure.
got
What's that? Oh, okay. That's like spaghetti thing. You just have to put coverall. You should get the coverall that we buy at Kohl's because they match that.
I didn't know.
That's okay. Next time. For the hair.
Little pouch
Alright.
to put stuff.
Next.
You know, like the.
What's that?
No, I'm not opening it.
Alright, not yet. What's that?
Oh, there's paper inside though. That's what I keep going through.
T-shirt. Oh, cool. Nice, huh? Alright.
School number.
Okay. Oh, cool. Is it big? That's okay. You can always tuck it in.
What? Just gonna.
Yeah, and the rest. And then another one, guys, para yan sa chorba niya, sa hair niya, and all that stuff.
Shorts.
Kasi masyado na mahaba itong video. I think that's for like her hair, whatever. This. Oh, that's cute. Depends if that fits on you.
We're gonna try them on.
Alright, next. Ito para sa buhok niya, guys. Alam niya naman, hilig siyang mag-ayos ng hair.
The white one.
Oh, okay. That's the cover. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. Hopefully all the stuff you got is really that fits for you. Oh, cute.
I have to tie them.
Let me see.
I have to tie
Yeah,
them.
you have to tie it. It will be tied. Don't worry. We're gonna check. What else? Tapos,
Is that the
ayan.
other? Oh, I'm sorry.
Ito, guys. Ano naman to? Oh, okay. Finally. She glam hair para sa buhok ko yan. Another one.
And then a necklace,
Necklace daw niya, guys.
some
Ayan.
bracelets,
Bracelets.
a band.
Oh, sana all ang dami. Wow, she bought a lot of gold, guys. Look at that.
What's on the floor?
Headband, guys. And then, another one. Okay, use this one to pick up all that and throw it. Okay? Which is all good.
Oh,
Anyway, finally. Tapos na po siya mag-unbox. Ang haba-haba ng video. But anyway, ito pala, guys. Akin pala to. Finally, it came already because I thought it stuck somewhere. Kasi nga, nung pag-track ko sa shipment na ito, hindi siya nag-move. So anyway, finally, it's here. Wala kasi yung isa namin kilala eh. So ito lang yung ginagamit ko kasi sa face ko, guys. This one, toner. And we will try soap. Soap ni Habibi. Ganda daw to. We'll see. And etong soap na to, Naya's Cinnamide. Anyway, ayan. So, magamit na natin to finally kasi naubusan ako ng toner, mga guys. By the way, kung nagwa-wonder kayo bakit mga fashion yung binili ni Cassie for her jewelry stuff, kasi nga, guys, ang code sa school, bawal magsuot ng mga fancy na mga, in short, mga tunay na mga alahas sa school. Kasi nga, in case mawala, responsibility ang school. Kaya nga, sayang. Because they do PE, they do some other stuff. Kaya, yung mga jewelry gold nila is talagang kinikip ko lang muna and they wear it every time we go somewhere. Hindi pwede sa school.
thank you.
Welcome!